Relax, scene, you will bounce back. Scene came in thinking he had the whole thing figured out, new villa, new connection, new him, and then in literally episode 2, he watched his girls choose someone else right in front of him. One national television. We are not doing okay today, people. Okay, let's catch everyone up. Season 8, Episode 2 pick up right where the chores left off. The Islanders are still filling out their couples, vibe are shifting, and the producer are absolutely cooking with these challenges. But the real story it's always seen right now. Because this guy put himself out there genuinely and the situation just flipped on the him fast. For those who have not watched it, no hard spoiler. I will keep this vague enough. But if you are here, hear what I actually think happened with Sin. He got in his heavy head way too early. Love Island is a game where confidence is currency, and the second you start showing insecurity, the other person feels it, she felt it. And I am not blaming Sin. I'm saying the villa is pressure cooked 2 days in and you are already making emotional decisions that feel like they have been building for months. That's by design, that's the show. But seeing he gonna be like fine. Actually I think this is the best thing that could happen to him. Watch this space. Pick your standout skin. But honestly that was not even the only moment this episode. The challenge scene unhinged, the kind of unhinged that makes you pause the TV and return to who were next to you and just go. Did that just happen? And I love the so far that every episode has at least one moment where the edit is doing the absolutely most and the music is dramatic and you are invested in people you met 48 hours ago. That's the magic formula and season 8 has figured out again. Alright, prediction because that's why you are really here. I think the next episode is going to be turning point for at least two a couple. One that feels super solid right now is about to get tested and I'm calling it now. I also think Scene find his footing. New arrivals change everything. He came here for a reason, and a stumble in episode 2 means nothing if he adjusts. The people who win Love Island are the ones who reset fast. Can he reset? That's the question. That might take an episode 2. I want your drop in the comment. Are you team Scene or do you think he needs to read the room better? And who do you think is playing the best game right now? Honestly, no wrong answer. I just love the chores. If you're new here, I do these breakdowns right after episode drop. Subscribe so you don't miss one. And if you are watching Love Island for the first time this season, welcome. You will not be okay, but you will be entertained. See you after episode 3. Bye bye.